Love Pottery Barn holiday decor but don't love the price? Grab some table legs and terracotta saucers for this genius trick. First stop, Home Depot. I purchased 3 different wooden legs at different heights. To begin, twist off the screws using a pair of pliers. This will leave your legs with a flat surface. I purchased 6 terracotta pot saucers for the top and bottom of each. For the longer table legs, I purchased 2 larger saucers for the bottom for extra stability. Next, attach the saucers using E6000 glue and let them dry overnight. After your candlesticks are dry, grab a bar of soap and begin rubbing it into the grooves of each leg. Next, grab some chalk paint and paint them and let them dry. After that, sand the soap off of each leg. These candlesticks are such a stunning accent to any room, and no one will believe you made them yourself. Just add a bow and some greenery to dress them up for Christmas. These are also great after the holidays too. Mix and match your candles and decor, the possibilities are endless. I hope this inspires you to fake your own high-end look today. Happy holidays! I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe, and to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.